So we received this fence repair kit to review, and as you can see, it is very easy to put together. It has a sharp end where it is easy to simply, with what they give you, just hammer it down and make it all the way to the bottom, as my husband is doing, to make it all sturdy. It also comes with the tools to get you started. So you have the drill bit and all the installation kit. You only need a drill to make it happen. And as you can see, my husband did it in maybe 15 minutes, and that is with the hammer included. And it was just so easy and definitely a change for the fence of how sturdy it was. Highly recommend.